That's a surprise. This for you.
This for me.
This for you. Give me.
Okay, this for you.
Yeah, open your surprise. Let's see what's inside. Don't break it though.
This is Barbie.
Yes, it's from Auntie Kate.
Yes.
It's from Auntie Kate. You know Auntie Kate? You've talked to Auntie Kate a couple of times, right?
Yes.
Gimsy, let's see what's inside yours.
You can see has Barbie too.
Yes, Gimsy has a Barbie too. Gimsy, you like it?
I like it. I have Dr. Barbie.
You have a Dr. Barbie. Oh, it's so beautiful.
And I can choose something.
Really?
I can give baby this.
You can give baby this?
This one's.
Okay.
This yellow one's for it's for her, and this yellow one's for her.
Gimsy,
So can you open please?
first of all, say thank you, Auntie Kate. It's Auntie Kate that got you the Barbie.
Thank you, Auntie Kate.
That's your Christmas gift from Auntie Kate, okay? It's just that the thing came after Christmas. So tell Auntie Kate, thank you for your beautiful Barbie gift.
Thank you, Auntie Kate, for your beautiful
Auntie Kate, thank you so much. You were so excited to see it. Thank you so much. Lord bless you.
Today is Christmas.
Today is Christmas
Yeah.
because you received the gifts today.
Yay! It's Christmas.
Kissy, you like yours? Yes, it's baby.
It's Christmas.
Really?
Thank you, Auntie Kate, so
Aw.
much. I love you.
I love you.
Thank you so much.
Oh, thank you, Auntie Kate. Thank you.
For giving me Barbie. It's Christmas Day. Thank you so much, Auntie Kate.
Yeah, thank you so much, Auntie Kate. Gipsy, see your own Barbie. Take.
Baby,
Hmm.
baby,
Hmm.
baby. See the way our baby, see the way our Barbie is facing.
Really?
Yes. Think before you open Barbie.
What?
Think before you open Barbie.
No fighting. Yeah, hold your own.